Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Best Choice Products 3-in-1 Toddler Basketball Hoop Sports Activity Center. Grow with me. Adjust the basketball hoop between 27 different height settings for a versatile rim that grows with your little one for lasting enjoyment over the years. 3-in-1 design. This play set gives your toddler 3 different games to vary the way they play. Score some buckets on the basketball hoop, shoot soccer goals, and much more. Indoor-outdoor, durably crafted with water-resistant PP plastic to withstand various weather conditions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Endless fun. A combination of exciting games and a fun backboard diesel sticker for decorating means kids can enjoy hours of interactive fun. Certified and safe. Feel confident in your child's safety, as the set is cleared ASTM and CPSIA certification guidelines. Overall. Number 2. Costzon Basketball Hoop Set Stand. Kids 3-in-1 Sports Activity Center. Adjustable height 4.7 fort 5.2 fort. Basketball stand with darts and ring toss play set. Best gift for kids. 3-in-1 Activity Center. Our basketball stand includes 3 activities: playing basketball, throwing circles, and playing football. Including 1 basketball, 1 football, 4 rings, and 1 inflator, kids can start playing basketball right away and have fun. It also allows kids to play together to exercise their competitiveness and team spirit. Developing baby skills. In the process of playing basketball and football, kids can not only improve their hand-eye coordination ability, but also enhance their physical strength and social skills. And it also can help children improve their ability to throw, run, jump, and balance. 5 adjustable heights. The basketball hoop set has 5 heights that can be adjusted to meet the needs of kids of different ages and heights. It can accompany your kids to grow and add a wonderful memory to the kids' childhood. It is the best gift for children and helps to increase parent-child interaction. Safe material and stable base. The high-quality and durable PP material is non-toxic and tasteless, and protects your child's health. Safer to use through ASTM certification. The base can be weighted down with sand or water, not included, to increase stability, and is less prone to dumping and shaking. Number 3. Costzon Basketball Hoop for Toddler 3-in-1 Sports Activity Center with ring toss. Soccer goal 31-56 height adjustable indoor-outdoor basketball game play set for baby. 3-in-1 design for versatile use. Our 3-in-1 Rocket Kid Sports Activity Center includes a basketball hook, football frame, ring holder, football, basketball, and 3 rings, which allows kids to shoot, kick, and toss according to their different needs. This multifunctional toy provides great entertainment for children and their friends, and exercises their competitiveness and team spirit. Multi-level height adjustment. The height of the basketball hook can be adjusted from 23 to 37.5, making it suitable for children of different ages and heights. By rotating the knob on the back, you can lower it when your baby wants to dunk on it. Also, the stand lets you raise to a suitable position, exercise the kids' basketball skills. Safe and friendly materials. Made of strictly selected pages materials, the basketball hoop stand is safe and friendly for children during long hours of play. Additionally, the smooth surface without sharp edge prevents children from being accidentally injured to the greatest extent. Sturdy construction with great stability. Ultra-solid pyramid base and strengthened nut make it more stable without shaking while playing. Thanks to the water inlet with gap, you can fill the base plate with water or sand to enhance high stability and outstanding durability. Number 4. 4-in-1 Toddler Basketball Hoop Adjustable Height Kids Basketball Hoop with Soccer Goal Ring Toss Golf Play Set. Basketball hoop for kids indoor-outdoor sports. 4-in-1 Activity Center. This kids' basketball hoop has 4 sports to play, including golf game, basketball game, soccer goal game, and ring toss games. It comes with 1 basketball, 1 soccer ball, 4 rings, 1 pump, 1 golf ball, and golf club. Children can gain unlimited joy and develop motor skills with it. Safe and sturdy. Made of water-resistant PP plastic to withstand various weather conditions, triangular structure base effectively increases the stability, making the toddler basketball hoop ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Adjustable height levels. Height of this adjustable kids basketball hoop can be adjusted from 49-70 through 5 levels, suitable for kids in wide age range from 3 to 12, to exercise and enjoy the game. Developing baby skills. Through playing basketball and football, kids will exercise their ability to throw, run, jump, and balance, then improving their hand-eye coordination ability, enhance their physical strength. Endless fun and best gift. With cute car basketball panel design for activity sports to play, This baby basketball stand is the best Christmas or birthday present idea for kids. Will be a fun way to accompany child to grow up. Number 5. GoSports Tot Shot Modern Kids Basketball Set Indoor and Outdoor Toy Hoop for Toddlers. Modern Kids Hoop. Premium basketball hoop for boys and girls ages 1.5 to 5 years. Includes one height-adjustable basketball hoop and two soft pre-inflated balls. Safe for indoor and outdoor use. Improved design and function. Extra large backboard and rounded rim provide a bigger hoop for easier scoring. And to better simulate real hoops, unlike other toddler hoops that fall out during playtime, our rim locks in place and features a smooth lip that is touch-safe for kids. Fun indoor and outdoor toy. Made from ultra-durable all-weather HDPE, assemble inside or outside in 2 minutes. No tools required. Weighted base can be filled with sand, indoors, or water, outdoors. Encourages child development. An exciting learning tool that engages kids in active playtime and can help them improve motor skills, social skills, and hand-eye coordination. Makes a great gift.